On the authority of Abu Dharr al-Ghifari, may Allah be pleased with him, from the Prophet ﷺ, is that among the sayings he relates from his Lord, may he be glorified, is that he said, "O my servants, I have forbidden oppression for myself, and have made it forbidden amongst you, so do not oppress one another. O my servants, all of you are astray, except for those I have guided, so seek guidance of me, and I shall guide you. O my servants, all of you are hungry, except for those I have fed, so seek food of me, and I shall feed you. O my servants, all of you are naked, except for those I have clothed, so seek clothing of me, and I shall clothe you. O my servants, you sin by night and by day, and I forgive all sins, so seek forgiveness of me, and I shall forgive you. O my servants, you will not attain harming me, so as to harm me, and will not attain benefiting me, so as to benefit me. O my servants, were the first of you, and the last of you, the human of you, and the jinn of you, to be as pious as the most pious heart of any one man of you, that would not increase my kingdom in anything. O my servants, were the first of you, and the last of you, the human of you, and the jinn of you, to be as wicked as the most wicked heart of any one man of you, that would not decrease my kingdom in anything. O my servants, were the first of you, and the last of you, the human of you, and the jinn of you, to rise up in one place and make a request of me. And were I to give everyone what he requested, that would not decrease what I have, any more that a needle decreases the sea if put into it. O my servants, it is but your good deeds that I reckon up for you, and then recompense you for. And it is your bad deeds that I reckon up for you, and then recompense you for. So let him who finds good praise Allah, and let him who finds other than that blame no one but himself. It was related by Muslim